talk show representing our Sampurna house along with my three friends, Harshit, Prince and Ritesh. So imagine waking up one day, reaching for your phone and it's just a silent piece of plastic. No WhatsApp, no Instagram, no YouTube, no Google. Just you and the real world. Sounds scary? Or maybe exciting? Today we will explore this fascinating question. Let's begin to our talk show. So, first I would like to ask from Ritesh, if phone and internet will disappear overnight, so what would be the first sign that something was wrong?
The silence. No notification sound. No ring. The silence. No notification sounds. No ringtones. And no one staring at a screen. People would actually be looking at each other instead of their phone.
What an interesting thought. Maybe we did finally hear birds chirping instead of notification sounds. Thank you for your thoughtful perspective. Now I would like to ask from Prince. If Google took a holiday for one day, who would become the smartest person in your family?
In my family, the smartest. My grandparents would become the smartest people. They have a treasure of knowledge gained through the experience. They know traditional recipes, home remedies, directions, stories, and life lessons without searching online. This would remind us that the wisdom doesn't always come from the internet. Sometimes the best answer comes from the people sitting right beside us.
I completely agree. Sometimes we forget that before Google, there was our grandma and grandpa. Their experience and wisdom are priceless. For next question, I would like to ask from Harshit. Imagine your phone start talking after one day being ignored. What would it say first?
It would probably say, finally, I got a rest. Thank you for giving me some break. Or it will encourage me to explore the world, and read with my parents, play outdoor games, and read a book.
That, that was hilarious. I think our phone would actually thank for us to give them a real rest. So, I would like to again ask from Ritesh, which profession would become the most important for that one day?
The postman and newspaper delivery person because they would become our main uh, talk and communication and information.
That was a wonderful answer. We often take these professions for gradually because technology. Every profession has its own importance. Now I would like to again ask from Prince, what would happen to birthday without WhatsApp or Instagram reminders?
Without reminder, the people who truly remember your birthday would wish you. Those wishes will will feel more personal and meaningful and would come from heart rather than from automatic notification. This would remind us that genuine relationships are built on care and memory, not just technology.
Very true. The wishes might become fewer, but they would certainly become more meaningful. Our birthday, remember from heart, is so far more important than one remember because of the notification. Let's begin to our last question. I would like to ask from Harshit. If there were no GPS, how would people find their destination?
Without GPS, people will read road signs, maps, and ask people for directions. And it simply
excellent answer. We might get lost once or twice, but we would definitely find something we have been missing. A real conversation. Sometimes the best journey begins with we step away from technology. Let's have a quick fun round, rapid fire. Phone or people?
People.
Google or grandma?
Grandma.
Selfie or memory?
Memory.
Wi-Fi or wildlife?
Wildlife.
Emoji or real smile?
Real smile.
Online friend or neighbor?
Neighbor.
Notification or peace?
Peace.
Charging phone or charging yourself?
Charging yourself.
Stay connected with people, not just with phone. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Talk show. Our topic is one day without internet and mobile phones. Blessing or curse? Imagine spending an entire day without using a mobile phone. Would it be easy or difficult? Let's hear from our guest. Hello, I am Ria, the host of this afternoon, and now let's welcome our distinguished guest, and they will share their ideas and opinion with you. Let me introduce them. Mr. Abdul, the student of 10th grade, Mr. Sahil, scholar of Delhi University, Miss Ananya, principal of APS Public School. So, my first question is to Mr. Abdul. You love art, but you use Pinterest and YouTube for ideas. Can you create something new for 24 hours without looking into internet?
Yes, I can create something new without looking at the internet. I will use my imagination, ideas, creativity. I can take my time and create new drawings. I can also take my elder brother or sister help so that I can draw better drawings. It will be fun to make something new. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Abdul. Now, my second question is to Mr. Sahil. If your best friend is upset, how will you talk to her without texting or calling? Would you actually go to her house?
Yes, I will get to her house and meet him personally and give him surprise. It is not a bad idea. We will be great surprise for him. It's make him forgot everything and we will play some game and then we will play some favorite game of my friend and my friend and happy and a happy person make others happy. Then we will be after happy.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sahil. Now, my last question is to Miss Ananya. Nowadays in school, learning is often depends on the internet. Would a day without it be a valuable lesson in self-reliance or a major setback?
I would say both because of a valuable lesson and a challenge because nowadays in schools the internet is very important for learning and activities. Day without it might affect learning activities and however it is a very good kind of encouragement both for teachers and the students and it would also increase their self-reliance. They would be more resources like textbooks, libraries, face-to-face discussions, critical thinking, and people would also be less dependent on service engines, and it would also increase the relationship between a student and a teacher. It would be more effective and elaborative between them.
Thank you, Miss Ananya. So, the problem is not the phone. The actual problem is that we can't live without it anymore. Tonight, try this. Keep your phone away for 1 hour and see how it feels. Thank you so much, all of you. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.